Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of I Bought a Watch. Got quite an exciting episode today because it is a Secret Santa episode. So me and a bunch of other watch YouTubers from the UK and Ireland grouped together and decided to do a Secret Santa. Now, the channels that I did the giveaway with are going to be included in the description below, and they are Jason the Watch Guy, Paul from Time in the UK, DK from Watchtower, George from George Talks Watches, James from Honest Watch Reviews, and Sean from Time and Talk. So it's quite a lot of fun. They're a great bunch of guys. Go check out all their YouTube channels. Like I said, it was a Secret Santa, so I don't actually know which one of them sent me the watch that I'm going to be showing you today. And in fact, I don't even know what the watch itself is, so I'm kind of excited. That's why I might not be talking sense. But let's get the box first. So here's the box. So the rules of the giveaway were, or the Secret Santa rather, were you had £50 to spend on a watch and then you sent it to, the person's address. You guys know how Secret Santa works. It says handle with extreme care. It's a fragile box. I'm quite excited. I have cut off my address and opened the box already, but I haven't taken a look inside. So without further ado, let's open her up. Now, £50 is actually quite, it's not that much money when you're buying a watch. So it is automatic and quartz watches, perhaps. Oh, there you go. Mystery watch. That's a nice touch. Now, sadly, I don't know their writing, so I have no idea whose writing that was. Oh, but there is the watch. Now, what watch is this? Ooh. Now I can see quite clearly it's a Swatch watch. That's probably going to mean it's a quartz watch. But Swatch do some pretty cool watches, and actually this might be my first Swiss watch, I think. I have owned Swatches in the past, but this is definitely going to be the only one I own in the collection. I can see from the sticker here that retail this would have cost £85, but from the crack case, I imagine this was purchased on eBay. I have no problem with that. Oh, I can see multiple pushes. I'm not going to look at it yet. I bought my Secret Santa watch on eBay as well, so there are some really good deals out there on eBay. I do want to put in a word of caution though. I've certainly seen my fair share of fakes on eBay, so just be careful when you're buying a watch and do your research. That all being said, I am really excited to see what the other guys buy for their Secret Santas, so I'm going to be watching all of those, and I'll probably make a playlist with all those videos. I'll link that in the description once they're all out. Okay, let's flip this over and see what I got. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is, gosh, what a watch to start the New Year's with. That, as you can see, Swiss made there. What a watch is that is. It looks like a firework. What a watch to start the New Year's with. Let's get it out of the case. Typical Swatch packaging. There's a protector. And it's got all the book of words and warranty. Yeah, okay, let's get this out of the way and take a look at this watch. Now, what a colourful piece this is. Look at that. Now, it's got a lovely tachymeter running around the outside. It's metal, which is, oh, there you go, it's aluminium. Swatch Irony Aluminium. Water resistance, got quick, easy access for battery replacements there. Tells you the type of battery there. That's really nice. It's an aluminium watch. It's super light and super colourful. Look at that. It's got 3 sub-dials. Now, 6 o'clock we have running seconds clearly. It's a quartz watch, as you can see that 1 per second, tick per second. And also, presumably, obviously the battery indicates that. It's got 2 pushes. It's got a date complication there at the 3 o'clock. I quite like the colours. It's got that Swatch integrated strap, which is quite annoying because you can't replace them, but this is a pretty cool rubber strap, kind of web effect with these raised coloured portions. Cool. As you can see, it's a bit worn here. It's clearly been worn on that setting. Hopefully my wrist is near there. so it hides the one. Right, so we've got a chronograph here, clearly. It's got a tachymeter running around the edge. And 3 subdials. Now, presumably one is the minute counter, the chronograph minute counter. I presume it's that one going up to 60. And then that one, I don't know, that's 10. Let's run the chronograph and see what happens. Okay, so it's not a mecha quartz movement because it ticks once per second. That's slightly... press again. Oh! What is that? It's flicked round. Okay, so it has lap times, and it's gone back to 0. Okay. Reset. Ah! I think that's 1/10 of a second. That's actually pretty cool. That means this stopwatch is actually far more accurate than your typical chronograph or typical quartz chronograph, because it tells you that that is going to be 2 seconds and 2.6 seconds have elapsed. That's pretty cool. Gosh, it's a pretty cool looking watch. And I like that it's an aluminium case. I presume it's a Hardlex crystal. Lovely bit of distortion there. And great colors. I mean, look at that. Like I said, it looks like a firework. Perfect New Year's watch. Let's pop it on. Oh, actually, before I do, let's take a look at this buckle. Cool, nice swatched signed buckle. Unside crown. And actually these pushers are nice and tactile. I'll go through that in a bit. Let's pop it on. Over, under. Nice. It's a nice size as well. It's quite small. Actually, that's quite a cool looking watch. Nice bit of sunburst on that dial. It's not really silver sunburst dial with the kind of rainbow patterning. You know what? It's not going to be a kind of everyday watch. It's a bit out there, but I actually really like it. So yeah, well, thank you to whoever sent that in. Please let me know in the comments if you guys are watching, who were in the Secret Santa. And yeah, like always, I will be doing a full review of this in the coming weeks. And before I forget, I am actually doing a watch giveaway at the moment. So if you weren't already aware, I'm giving away the Steel Dive Captain Willard homage. Now, if that's interesting to you, I'll leave a link up in the corner here. There should be a link on screen, a picture of it, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can enter that. As always, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!